Welcome. In front of me I have a GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen and find the option or icon called Settings. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. In Settings, scroll down and look for the option called the System. It should be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it. Now scroll through the System menu and look for the Language option. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through the list, look for the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it, and the language should be applied after a couple of seconds. So if you open the menu, as you can see, the language was applied. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the GARMIN Connect application to do that. So we're gonna bring the phone that is paired with my watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, and once you get the phone that is paired with your watch, open the GARMIN Connect application on it. In the app, you can tap on More, GARMIN devices, and then select your Vivoactive 6 from the list of devices. So I'm gonna select it, wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone, and once it's done, you can scroll down and look for the option called the System, of course, tap on it, and here tap on Language. As you can see, we have the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you select it, the language should be applied. But if it doesn't apply, you can try to sync the devices together by tapping on this icon. And once the devices sync, it should apply your language automatically. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.